Dispatch is taking place for a customer. Empty container inspection and loading of tanks and machinery as per packing list. Machinery and tanks are duly packed as per Seaworthy requirements. It is being carefully loaded in the container. Lashing and choking is done for cargo, which can shift during the sea journey. After loading completion, below seals are locked on the container. Custom seals and RFID seal. Happy to have dispatched your goods on time with safety in mind.